Very good evening, students. Okay, whatever the discussion is going on yesterday, I am just briefly explain to everyone. Okay, you see my subject NCERT 8th class version E math concept clear. My my focus on all student how to resolve any kind of rational number questions within a short trick. Okay, so that previous yesterday what we are discussed only I'm just shortly create a PDF means on Word. Okay, you can check it. Okay, rational number it is in form of P by Q. Okay, and yesterday also I have discussed plus into plus equal to plus into minus equal to minus into minus equal to minus into plus equal to minus. Example also yesterday I have already discussed with you. Example 5 into 5 equal to 25. Then answer it should be in positive. 5 into minus 5 equal to minus 25, because you see plus into minus equal to minus, the result will be comes out in terms of minus. Same as minus 5 into minus 5 equal to plus, then result will be comes out plus 25. Same example minus 5 into plus 5 equal to minus 25, means the result is comes out as per this standard formula. Okay, then also yesterday we are discussed on the rational number properties. How many properties already I have discussed yesterday in my discussion 2. That one is addition property, another is subtraction property, third one is the multiplication property, and fourth one is the division property. Okay, the rational number addition property, you just see I am giving you in short terms, you check it. Okay, how many question anybody will be dropped to you, you can easily, if you review my concept, then you can easily solve all kind of addition properties, subtraction property, multiplication and division property. Okay, for example P by Q plus M by N, then what will be the next procedure? You see, what will the next procedure? P into X plus M into Y whole bracketed slash slash LCM of Q and N. Okay, and here I have mentioned stepwise procedure. First step, you take the LCM of Q and N. Here you see this is the Q and this is the N. You take the first LCM of Q and N. Second step, what it's mentioned, LCM value division with Q, LCM value division with first rational number of below integer, means you division with the Q, and what will be the results comes out, that is you consider example X. Okay, then it have to be multiplied with the integer P, means you see X is multiplied with the integer P. Same third step, LCM value division with the N. Okay, N is the here. Okay, N, whatever the LCM value will be comes out, it will be division with the N, and what will be the result comes out, that is you consider Y. Then what is the next step? It have to be multiplied with the integer M. Okay, you see the results comes out, that is Y, it should be multiplied with the M, then whole divided by LCM of Q and N, it should be constant. Okay, and the answer will be comes out. Okay, then subtraction property also same. P by Q minus m by n. Means if you just example p by q equal to 1 by 2 and m by n equal to 3 by 2. Okay, so that is the number. I am just saying to you 1 by 2 and 3 by 2 is also a rational number. Okay, that 1 by 2 I consider as a p by q minus 3 by 2. 3 by 2 3 by 2 I consider as a m by n. Then its subtraction property, how you will be find out the answer? Same procedure. First you take the LCM of this q and n. First you take the LCM of the q and n. First step, first you take the LCM of q and n. Second step, LCM value division with q. Q means first rational number of below integer, and what will be the results comes out, that is x. It have to be multiplied with the integer p. You see, before also addition property I also tell to you. Okay, same. Third step, what will be? LCM value division with the n, means second rational number of below integer n. It will, you just division with LCM value division with the n, and what will be the result comes out, that is y. Then it have to be multiplied with the m. You see what is the division after LCM getting this below integer, you division with the LCM value and the results comes out, that is x. Means x, it should be, it have to be multiplied with the top integer, okay, of first rational number, and same also what is the results comes out, that should be multiplied with the first second top second first rational number of top integer. Okay, then the result will be comes out, that is the subtraction property. Same also product oblique multiplication property. Here it is very simple. Yesterday also I have told to everyone, p by q into m by n. Okay, p by q you consider 1 by 2 into m by n you consider 3 by 2. The answer will be come out. What is the it's easy solution. Only you just see, multiply top to top and bottom to bottom of both rational number. Multiply top to top means p into m whole bracketed into q into n, then answer will be comes out. This is only multiplication property. It is very simple. Same also division property. Division property, what it's showing? p by q divided by m by n. Okay, when it will be what should be the next step? Next step will be, you just constrain the first rational number and reciprocate the second rational number. Reciprocate means reverse. You just only reverse it. M by n, you see here is the m by n. Okay, and you just, when it will be next, what will be the next step? p by q should be the constant and divided. Here the divided is mentioned. You just put here the multiplication and second reverse this rational number, means reciprocate this rational number n by m. Okay, then answer will comes out. It is, then it comes in multiplication property. Then multiplication property formula is that multiply the top to top and bottom to bottom of both rational number, then answer will be comes out. Okay, this is very easy method to understand for everyone. Yesterday whatever I have briefly described to everyone, that I am just simply way for your math concept clear basis. I am intimated to everyone to be understand in a better way, not to be as a what you are saying, only look and just do. Don't copy paste and write. Only you just understand this simply properties and formulas and my ideas, whatever I am just written or prepare for you. You will be just read it and understand and do your whatever the questions given in your rational number question paper. Thank you. And one more thing, please subscribe my channel. If any queries, you can drop ye comments. Myself, Manas Sahu, okay, and my mobile number is 7024273497, or another contact number is 8003028281. If anybody want to contact with me, you can call me. I can briefly explain to everyone in a personal way. I don't want to take any charges from any of one. Okay, for your kind information, please. I am only helping those student, they are not eligible to going their schools. Okay, I am only helping those students. He can understand betterly after their completion of the tuition or school or classes. My concept is very clear concept for everyone. Thank you so much.